Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to boost posts on Instagram. Now to do this, all you have to make sure is that you have a professional account. If you don't have a professional account, you won't get the tools that you need in order to boost your post, which I'm going to show you in this video. So how do you do that? If in case you don't have a professional account yet, you can come here in the menu by clicking on the top right corner, and then you can scroll all the way to this place right here. It's called Creator Tools and Controls. Once you're here, you will see an option where it says change account type, switch to a professional account. Once you have done that, this is how it will look. You'll get your professional dashboard, and then you can select any post or reel that you want to boost. Now, how do you do this? Just click on a piece of content, then you can click on boost post. After that, it will give you a bunch of options, and then I'll guide you through how you can go ahead and boost any post that you have on your account. So here is the first thing, which is to make sure that you have all of these steps done. Just click on next, and then it will ask you the audience that you want. You can either create your own target audience, or you can just get suggested ones directly from Instagram. Once this is done, you can go ahead and select your daily budget, which means this is the amount of money that you will be spending in order to boost your profile. Once you have set the daily limit or the budget, you can go ahead and click on next, and that is it. Once you add the payment method and click on the boost post button, your post will now get promoted. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.